Hey yo, it's Chriso. This is the bathroom I did last week. I had Monday off. The plumber came in, fitted everything. I've still got to put the ceiling up yet, but that's not up to me. The guy that fits my shower screens, he measured up yesterday, so we're all good. And now that's the ensuite. So yeah, it's going to come out nice. Now I'm doing the bathroom. I've got the generator on still, the power's on, but I'm running the generator because it gives me more guts with my mixing drill. So that generator is pumping out more power than normal power does. So it's pretty cool. So we zap in a bit of water. I've got my respirator on, that's my mouth closed. Hold your breath. Hold the bucket with your feet. I've got my mud. I'm using it a little bit stiffer than what I normally do because I'm doing some shaping of the shower. Right, so my pads right around the place have all been laser leveled. I laser leveled them all. I laser leveled all this shower base. That's dead level. That there on the outside against the wall is dead level, but it's sloping. I actually had a little bit of a hump right there. I didn't notice it until I just put my level, but that's all right. Right, that's nice and level. It is sloping. Down to the strip drain. Heaps. I hope you can see that. Hope you can see that bubble. That's got a nice fall down to the strip drain. So it is falling like that. Against the wall it's dead level and it's falling to the strip drain. I've also got fall in here at the bottom of my strip drain. So when water does soak through my grout, it'll run down my waterproof into here. It's falling that way, it'll run into my hole. So now I just drag this back and the worst part of the bathroom is then complete, and then I start over there and I just drag it all back nice and level and flat. I'm using a 200 by 200 tile in here. On this wall it's a Subway brick pattern green tile on that wall, which will look cool, and then the rest is 6x3 white shiny. So yeah, anyway, I'll drag this back. Throw that one, that wouldn't float away. Grab this one. Takes a little bit of practice, DIYs, to learn how to screed. And a lot of tilers, I should have a pair of gloves on. I got one there, nothing there. Okay, where are they? Out here. I'm also going to be screeding that floor too shortly, once I've done this one. When I drag this mud back over here, it will be a lot more softer than this here. Oh, that's better. It's not too good on the hands, cement. Spread your mud around. Buckle yourselves in, everyone. I'm putting out 4 videos a day, so it gives you a chance to absolutely learn heaps. I've always maintained that an apprentice, and I've taught a few of them in my time, but I'm not going to anymore. I'd rather teach on YouTube. But for a guy to practice screeding, he should go down the beach, get some damp sand, and just practice. Because tilers that can screed, they make it look easier than what it is. I didn't want to be this high with my mud, but the plumber, he's a little bit of a lazy plumber and didn't want to check I wasn't here. I arrived this morning. The pipe could have been checked down a little bit more, which is pretty easy, but hey, not for some. Right, I'm going to have an equal distance either side. That's sloping that way from left to right. It's falling down and it's going from nothing and sloping down that way. This is all, I go to my outside edge, that's dead level. It's a mill out actually, but that's all right. 1 mil is neither here nor there. Tiling is not that precise, people. Right, get rid of that tape. What I do now here, I must wipe this off. I must clean this off before I go any further. Right, and then I'll mix up some more mud and I'll come back. I'll come back to you soon. Stay tuned to Chris O. There's heaps to learn. See ya.